I want to tell you a story that happened to me here in Los Angeles. And your task will be to retell me this story at our class. But now you're going to practice your listening. One time I decided to deposit a pretty large amount of money through an ATM. Well, usually when it comes to big sums, I go to a teller and interact with the person directly. But that day the bank was closed. The opening hour would be in 30 minutes. I was lazy to wait. I checked how many I can put at a time. 75 banknotes. I had 70, and I decided to use an ATM and make a deposit directly. So I'm coming up to an ATM and I decided to deposit the whole amount of money without splits. Why not? Because the ATM allows you to insert 75 banknotes and I had 70, so it would all work perfectly. I'm inserting the banknotes in the lot, pressing all the necessary buttons, and the ATM shuts down. Though the ATM gives me a little piece of paper saying that the bank is very sorry, they cannot return my money, they cannot count it, please call this number if you have any questions. I'm standing there without $7,000 with a little piece of paper and a phone number on top of it. I'm trying to call the number, but it's out of working hours. The bank is closed. The support team is not working yet. And it's Saturday, so I have to wait till Monday. I started getting a little bit nervous, hesitant, and I started Googling, what should I do in case ATM swallows the money and doesn't return it, and pretty much there is no evidence of me putting the money in the machine. But as you know, internet has all the answers. Many people who were in the situation like mine told me that I should contact my bank immediately, describe the situation, and I shouldn't worry because they have cameras around and each action is being filmed. So the cameras already pictured my actions and the bank knows that I didn't lie, I had the money in my hands. On Monday, I'm filing a report that the money is missing and I'm out of $7,000, and I'm not lying. I actually did come to the machine and inserted that money. They told me I have to wait 20 days because the sum is big and they have to do the audition. I guess that means that they have to count all the money that they received that day and see if there is disbalance in the sum, so they will find my $7,000. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and the bank doesn't give me any answers other than, please wait more, please wait more, please wait more. I'm getting very stressed out. That's a pretty good amount of money to lose, and I don't want to lose it. I'm Googling a lot, I'm asking my friends, I'm becoming very agitated, and then one day, without any warning, I see my bank statements and I see my $7,000 back, which was a lucky day for me, I guess, and I'm very thankful for the bank workers who actually did a good job finding the money. Also, as far as I understood, the law states that the bank should be responsible for any transactions that are going through the bank. So if you guys accidentally lose your money through your card being swallowed or your money being swallowed, don't be too anxious. Just make the right steps. Call the bank, inform them about the date, the time, and the amount, and your legal name, and they will do their job finding your money or your credit card. So that was my story, and the story has a happy end. Your task now is to tell me this story at our class and use all the words that I highlighted for you here. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.